Today we start a weekly market overview. I will show you best entry ideas on next week. That's why you should be here. For a start, right please. For a start, right please. Do you hear me correctly? If yes, it will be a signal that we can start. Friends, right please into the chat. Do you hear me? Friends, right please into the chat. Do you hear me? If yes, it will be a signal that we can start. Right please into the chat. Do you hear me? If yes, it will be friends, my dear friends, I would like to see your comments in the chat. First comment will be, for example, I hear you good, awesome to see you here, I hear you, voice and sound good. That will be a signal that we can start. Oh yes, yes, can hear. And right please, is it clear? Does my sound clear? Does you hear everything really good? Do you see my video really good? And we started. And also few seconds I will send this link on TradingView, and that will be, and after that we will start. Okay friends, hello. Should I log I will answer on gold. Should I long hold here? Okay. Okay, friends, awesome that every one of you is here. Please push like and write please where are you from and write your questions, because it's really important to understand what is really interesting for you. That's why right now write into the comment, write your questions, write what you think and what you would like to see, and I will answer on all that questions, because today I will show you best entry places which I will personally trade. That's why right now push like and write your questions about Bitcoin. Friends, today's overview will start from Bitcoin, and I will not do all instruments. I will do overview on only on instruments which is interesting for you. If you will write Bitcoin, we will take a look on Bitcoin. If you will write, for example, SPI, S&P 500, Spider, we will take a look on oil. Yes, gold, oil, we will take a look, and we will start from Bitcoin. Because you saw my overview on yes, about gold. Wait few seconds. We will take a look on gold, but for a start we will take a look on Bitcoin. After that you will understand everything. First let's add volume, because it's really important for everyone. About Bitcoin, as I spoke before, friends, you need to understand, if price showed to us that the biggest volume was on the top, do you think big players can open a position here? Do you think big players open buy after such dramatic uprise? I think no. I think with huge possibility price will continue down drop. Best for us will be if price will do re-high. I personally will open sell entry with huge volume, because it will be the best place where we can open entry, because you can check this few weeks ago, like situation which was on oil. Like price rose up from 54.54 USD per 54 USD, and price rose up to 62. It's more than 10% in only one day. After that price made re-high, and after that powerful drop, even lower price, even lower this price. That's why with huge possibility it will continue down drop. BTC will continue down drop, but for you far more important where you will open accurate entry with low risk and good reward. I see at this moment two key places where you can do it. First, it is here. Second key place is below this zone, for something like this. Okay. Some traders say that gold will go down, not up. Can you explain why they, Mika? Can you explain why they are telling it? What do you think? Where did you get that information? Can you explain? Friends, please push like. Don't forget to push like and write your questions about what instruments you would like to see. Bitcoin. I just told you about Bitcoin, and about Bitcoin you can open on TradingView my idea about Bitcoin, where I recorded what I really think. It's really easy and all information is there. I showed historical examples, how price made a huge pump and what happened after that. Yes, we will do Euro USD, Canadian, Japanese yen. Friends, write more instruments which is interesting for you to see. Yuri, please also need Canadian. Yes, we will do it, friends. All instruments which you are interesting to see right now into the chat. That's why about Bitcoin, be careful, because other crypto instruments also will move with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin will drop, Ripple and other instruments also will drop. And there are one stuff on Ripple which, if be honest, I don't like, because take a look. I don't like this stuff when someone speak about buy, because as you see, price came back to border of this channel. Price made two falls back out of border of this channel. With huge possibility it will drop. Good. Friends, write all instruments which is interesting for you, write into the comment. Okay, let's start. What we will do now, we will take a look on gold, oil. After that we will take a look on currency pairs. No, but for start we will take a look on currency pairs. After that we will do gold, oil, and some instruments which will be interesting for you. Okay, let's go. First currency pair which we see here, it is Canadian, Euro USD. Friends, I will check only instruments which we'll see here in this list. If I don't see some instruments there, I will not write about it. First, about Euro USD. You see price bounced so many times on weekly chart from this killer 1.1110. Weekly candle close below it. At this moment, picture is bearish, but if be honest, I don't like to trade it, because on weekly chart price broke out this channel, downward channel, and on lower time frame price broke down this key level. I think with huge possibility price will hit 1.10, nearly this level. After that we will think about something, we will think about other entries. That's why nearly this key level you can open sell entry, and it will be risky sell, because price is not accurate, like price is not accurate when I like to open entries on it. Okay, friends, let's go forward. Let's go to other instrument, Canadian, Japanese yen. Friends, write instruments which is interesting for you. Write into the chat instruments which is interesting for you to see. You can see this stuff. So many days ago I wrote about buy here. Also I sent a signal to open buy for my VIP members. Also I can show you my real account. For a few seconds I want to show you my real account where I trade Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Few seconds, friends. I will show you a real example. Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. I want to show you my real statement here when we trade Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. At this moment I close and I am out. As you see, I made 2,700 USD on that entry, and at this moment it's hard to speak about some other entry because price is so close to this key level. You should take a look. Take a look on this key level from which price bounced several times on daily chart. At this moment, it is not wise to open buy entry at this moment, and it is not a place where you can open accurate sell entry. That's why what will be the best for you? You should wait how price will react on this key level, and after that you will be able to open some accurate entry. Best will be if price will rise up on pullback, you will open buy entry to continue. If price will drop on pullback, you will open sell entry to continue. Only in that cases you can open any entries on Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Not seeing the Euro USD selling of looking bullish and a buy for me. Please clarify what you mean about not seeing the Euro USD selling of looking bullish and a buy for me. Friends, push like at this moment, write a comment and write instrument which is interesting for you. Yes, we did Canadian Japanese yen. Right, please, is it clear about Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen? We will write, I will speak about gold and oil, I promise. Canadian dollar, okay, versus Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar, few seconds. Dear friend, take a look. As you see, few seconds, I will delete volume because on currency pair it will not help us. At this moment, price between two key levels, this one mirror level and this one. Few seconds. If be honest, I would recommend if price will do a pullback to this area, you can open sell to continue down drop. Because take a look how it was really a huge accumulation here and price broke it out. Best will be if price will do pullback, you open sell. After that price break this key level, you open another sell to continue. It will be the most accurate entry on this currency pair. Sir, your voice is little down, please volume up. Whoa. Friends, right, please. Is it okay with my voice? Because I did it really huge on my microphone. You should see that I have really a huge microphone. It's not small stuff. Okay, voice, good. Good, friends, awesome. Okay, let's go ahead. British pound versus Japanese yen. British pound versus Japanese yen. Okay, friends, take a look on this chart. First, what I want to show to you, price in this range. Take a look how it calls one candle range when price moves in one candle. Take a look on this candle, and now this candle is a border of the range. If you would take a look here, it's a border of the range. What will be really awesome is to, if price will do false breakout, to open entry to continue up price, because still we are in uptrend with huge possibility it will continue, and British pound also looks bullish, and with huge possibility price will hit this mirror area. From this mirror area I would look for some accurate sell entry. If price will do this, I will open buy to take some accurate buy entry from this place. That's why in this area I said alert to if price will do a pullback. I set alert and will open entry. Okay, voice friends, thank you for your feedback, that you write your feedback about voice. Okay, about gold I do after currency pairs, that's why be till the end of this webinar, and believe me, I will tell everything about gold and oil. That's why you should push like and be with me, and believe me, I will do my accurate overview. British pound, New Zealand. Okay, first about British pound. Friends, still this situation is good. I sent this idea in my trading view, on my trading view. That's why you should follow me on trading view, because as you see here is a key level from which price bounced here. This is also area, a whole area. If price will hit this area and will do a false breakout, especially false breakout of this daily candle, I would open buy entry. It would be risky buy, but it will worth it, and I will open buy with low risk and a huge reward. As you see, I set alert here, and if price will hit, it will be best for all of us, because with huge possibility price will continue up rise, and also we have accurate entry is here, as you see this key level, and it will be midterm goal, and if price will hit it nearly this level, we will open accurate sell. Friends, right please, is it clear about all instruments which I wrote here? Right please, is it clear about my thoughts? Did you get it? And yes, now we will speak about New Zealand versus United States dollar. Okay, New Zealand. At this moment, if be honest, price in this range, and it is not accurate to open entry. We have some level here, but it is not accurate, but it is not really accurate. I don't like to trade such levels, and if be honest, best will be if price will drop, will do real low, and after that you open buy entry nearly this area, you open accurate entry. It will be the best. I don't like to open entry in this area, in this stuff. Also, best will be if price will break it out. Also, it will be really good signal to uptrend. But you need to understand that price in long term, price in downtrend, and who knows when it will finish. But if price will break it up, this accumulation will be one of the best signals that we have new uptrend. Oil I do after a currency pair, Turkish lira. Okay. Let's do Turkish lira. Friends, right please, is it clear? Do you hear everything? Right please, right please, everything what you hear. Right please, is it good? If yes, I would do, we will continue with more efforts. Okay, about Turkish lira. As always, before I do some overview, I always paint key levels on a chart, and at this moment this instrument is between key levels, and I don't like it. I don't like to open entries in such area. For a long term, we are in uptrend. If you would take a look on this chart, you will see the price in uptrend. You need to ask yourself lower time frame. If be honest, price isn't clear, and in such places it's not accurate to trade, because I want to show you an example what is accurate. When price, for example, in such a triangle and you open entry when price break it out, it is accurate place. If you, for example, like here at this moment, there is no accurate level, and it's not accurate to open entry in this place, because from this place price can hit this level, from this place price can hit this level. Who knows what will be after that. We need to open entry when we will have some support, when we will have something important after us. For example, price break key level, accumulate, we open sell, or price hit key level, make false breakout, we open buy. We need to wait for something like this. It is important to find it. At this moment I do not recommend to open any entry on this instrument. Okay, about indexes we will speak about gold and oil. At this moment we speak about currency pairs. New Zealand just done, was good. New Zealand Japanese yen, okay. Okay, New Zealand Japanese yen. As always, you should open daily chart before we start any overview. At this moment, first, what I see on this chart. Let's open weekly chart to see better picture. First, price on weekly chart above this below this key level, as you see on weekly chart. Also this weekly candle bounced from it, okay, and price made false breakout. At this moment price below it, and it looks like a bearish picture. You need to understand there will be a good buy entry only if price will break it up, and also a few seconds. We need to see everything what's going on with this instrument. Only that will show to us what is interesting. To be honest, this instrument is not interesting at this moment, because on weekly chart it is below key level on weekly chart, and only if price will rise up we will have accurate entries. That's why price at this moment bearish till the price below it. Only if price will rise up on pullback we will open buy entry. Only after that, if something like this happen, for example like this, and on pullback we open buy entry. Okay, about other currency pairs, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, I will take a look a few seconds. And euro, Australian dollar. Friends, write please what currency pairs you would like to see, because I see last two currency pairs. If it's last currency pair, we will do this one, and after the gold and oil, and finish our translations. That's why you should hurry up to write what you would like to see. About this instrument, take a look here. What's going on? Why I can build? Okay, I've just built the key level here, and we have a trend line. I want to build this trend line here. Good. Friends, about this instrument, if price will do a pullback, something like this, it will be best buy entry. Why? Because it broke up this trend line, and here we have key level on daily chart from which price bounced 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's why this area will be really awesome to open accurate buy entry. Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. Okay, gold, I told that I will take a look on gold after currency pairs. Friends, I will take a look on gold after currency pair. I promised it, that's why I will do it. That's why right now, if you think this stream is useful for you right now, push like and share it with your friends. Because because you need to understand, I don't just speak and do blah blah. I trade on real account. You can check Axie Trader live, and all trades which I do on real account in our Telegram channel. You can find statistic which I share with people. I'm going to show you some example of our statistic, and it's really practical knowledge. That's why, friends, it's important to pay attention and watch it. For example, like 1 week we close, for example, some accounts. I want to show you other stuff because I remember that I sent a link on my Facebook statistic, and it's important to see it. Few seconds, friends. For example, like this statistic, you can check. I want to show you the statistic. You will understand that we are not only some people who speak only about theoretical. It's one of my account. Yes, take a look. October, 10%. This month we have 10%. Yeah, I think it's a good result with some chart, with low drawdown. I think it's really good. That's why, friends, be patient. Okay, about other instruments, about Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, after pullback, open accurate buy. And euro, Australian dollar. Euro, Australian dollar. At this moment, price in a place of uncertainty, because price between two really powerful key levels here and here. We don't have close key level. We don't have center. We don't have something like we had on previous picture. That's why better what to do. If price will hit this level, we'll make false breakout, open buy. If price will hit this level, make false breakout, open sell. At this moment, there is no accurate entry. Okay, AB, CD, and the Elliot, fifth Elliot again. People are crazy, can't wait. Have you got my FX book link? Open Telegram and you will find a link on my FX book with 300,000 account and my lower account. And also you need to understand I have far more accounts, and I have 2 year statement on real 100,000 pounds account. And friends, I see that Swiss franc, United States dollar versus Swiss franc is the last currency pair which you would like to see. That's why after that we will start watching on gold and oil. That's why right now push like and share it with your friends. Right now push like and write a comment. Did you get everything which I just told to you? Was it useful? Write into chat. Was it useful what you saw in this stream? For example, yes, it was useful, or Yuri, it wasn't useful, I waste my time. Write please into the chat. Friends, I would like to see at least how of you who is here would like to write, was it useful? Okay, about Swiss franc, price bounced a few times from this important level. It's a round number, 100. And what I think could happen if price will break up this level at third time, with huge possibility it will break up, because I see some law. If price comes to some key level third time, with huge possibility it breaks that level. If price will break it up after pullback, we will open accurate buy to continue, because it is round number, it's important level. Yes, useful, it's useful. Thank you, friends, it's pleasure to see your feedback that it's useful. If you think it's useful right now, push like, it's the best thank you from your side. Okay, I think now we're done with currency pairs and we can go to gold and oil. Also about gold and oil, you need to understand that I recorded about gold and oil idea on TradingView. That's why you should pay attention and follow me on TradingView, because really new and useful ideas I publish there first. About gold, like I told before, price broke out this triangle on daily chart with huge possibility it will continue uprise. That's why what we can do is the next. For example, I want to show you what could be the next. Few seconds, please. And also I want to show you in what cases we will open by entry, because we will not open by entry only because we want to open by entry. We will open by entry only if price will show a signal for us. That will be a confirmation, not just because some offer like me told it. We always need a confirmation. First, we see that price broke out this channel. Second, here is an accumulation which was at least 2 weeks, and best entry will be if price will do false breakout of this accumulation. We will open something like this. Only in that case I will open buy. Only in this case. About sell, some of you told about sell. I remember someone wrote in comment, but tell me please where you will open sell with low and accurate risk. Tell me please, write please in a chat where you will open sell on gold with low risk and great reward. What will be your take profit? What will be your stop loss? What goals you will have? I don't know, but for example, if we open by here, we have something like this stop loss, and we have potential profit at least before this key level. It will be our first goal on gold. It will be at least, it will be our minimum goal. That's why we should wait how price will react on this level. I don't think about sell at this moment. I open buy and take profit. Why is that level? Why you don't open, do not want to open lower, for example at 1498, something like that? Why you should wait for this round number? And why is this stop loss 1496? Explain please why. Friends, I explained you my thoughts about gold. That's my view. I wait when price will do a false breakout. If price will do false breakout, I will open by entry only after in that case. I didn't tell that gold will not go down. I told you that with huge possibility price will rise. I didn't tell that with 100% possibility price will rise. I told you that so soon price will hit a key level. That's all. You need to understand. As a trader, you can pick accurate place where you can open entries. That's all. You cannot move instrument in some direction. You cannot stop the market, something like that. You can pick entry with low risk and great reward, and sometimes price can go against you, and it's okay. I can show you a statistics statement when where I have 45% of profit entries and I still profitable, and it's okay. Friends, about oil, or if be honest, oil is more interesting for me, and I love oil at this moment, and I wait if oil will do a pullback, because oil far more accurate than gold and other instrument at this moment. Because if you take a look on oil price made this triangle every low higher and broke it up. It's really it's a phase of accumulation. Price big players accumulate position, and we have bullish reaction. If price will do pull back to this area, it will be the best place to open buy entry. It will be most accurate one, because After such accumulation, it will be low risk and great reward. Friends, about gold and oil, wait, because I pay really a lot of attention to those instruments. If there will be a good entry, I probably will share it with you. That's why you should follow me on TradingView, and right now you should open my TradingView and push follow, because if there will be some interesting ideas, you will see it's there. Friends, right please, was it useful? Maybe you have some additional questions about gold, oil, and also write please about other instruments which is interesting for you at this moment. Right now, okay, yes, now we will take a look on indexes. For a start, friends, a few words about us. Friends, we recorded our first educational course about trading. There I can teach you how to trade properly. Here is what you can learn. We create educational course, and you can be part of our first student who will get really the best proposition, because we will sell that course at least for 700-900 USD, and now we have really huge discount because only nearly 10 people bought it, and we want to get 20 first people who will buy it and will write feedback for us what we need to write additional, and to improve our course and do it better. About me, I just showed to you our 300,000 real account. We don't trade something. Take a look here. It is 300,000 account, 3k. We don't trade on some demo accounts and alt trades. Alt knowledge which we do is 100% practical. That's why below this video you will find contacts of my assistant Valerie, and right now to get the best condition which you can get. And also those who write from this webinar will get additional face-to-face session with me. Okay, yes, hi. 100 likes for gold and oil. No. 100 likes for gold and oil. No, I don't do this promotion. If I do, I will write about it. Just wait and follow me on TradingView. If there will be something really accurate, I will share it for you. Okay, and a few words about indexes. I remember about S&P 500, and I remember about this Nikkei S&P 500. You should see price third time came to this high. Few seconds, friends. A third time price came to this key level, and now price broke it up. With huge possibility it will continue uprise, because similar situation as it was on oil, but this picture is on a bigger time frame. Take a look. 3 times price came to this key level. Every low become higher and higher. With huge possibility it will continue uprise. It's my apology. It's really a powerful bullish picture, and that's why you can open buy. You can open buy after if price will rise will rise few pips above. After that, if price will fix above this key level, you will be able to open buy to continue, because picture is totally bullish. There is no, at this moment it's not a bearish picture. He's amazing. He honestly is so genius. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your ideas. Thank you. You are so kind person, helping traders who lose a lot. To be honest, I receive a lot of message from different traders who show to me their losses, and I remember when I was a fresher and how much time I spent to learn how to trade properly. And I don't want people to suffer like I suffer when I was in that path. And about this index, Japan index, it will be the last instrument which we will take a look. Let's open futures. What's going on? Why we can't open? I don't know. Somehow we cannot open S&P 500, for example. Gold, yes. Index. DAX, okay. Where is Japan index? It calls, yes. Somehow I don't know why we can't open this index on TradingView. Okay, through CFD. Maybe Destiny showed to us that we don't need to see it. That's why we will not to take a look on it. Friends, thank you for your time. It was awesome to see you here. Again, if you think it was really useful, thank you Forex King that you wrote to me use enter. I didn't know that I need to use enter on the keyboards. Thank you that you helped me so much. Friends, thank you for your time. Have a good trading. Bye.